How to find your contacts on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your contacts or your friends on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap the add friend icon at the top at the corner. Now click on contact. Now all you need to do is select the friend you wanna talk with or invite. There is another way. If you know the name of your friend's profile on TikTok, all you need to do is click on discover, click on search, and tap their name here, and they're gonna show up. So this is it guys, it's so easy. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.